So now this is where we're sitting. If I click the label and go edit, I can see I've got this parameter name of exact weight. I don't know why that's come across. I'm going to change this down to be a mark. Bring that in. That's okay. Alright, so this is looking a bit better. So we'd go File, Save As family. Now save it somewhere. I'm just going to override my last one. Now what we can do is we can just load into project through here. And what this is going to do is this will bring it in for me. Now what I need to find is my vertical bracing. Okay, so what we're looking for is here. This vertical bracing here, VBR1. So in our case, we're looking at equal angles. Okay, so if I look at my 3D, it's these ones here that I'm talking about. Alright, so we have them on all four of our walls, on four sides. Okay, so hover over this, go tab, there's one of my equal angles, SA, select all, make sure your mark is VBR, go apply. Now I can go tag by category, so S1 VBR, that's what I'm after. I'm just going to tag down here as well. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is just remove my leader line, and I can move this to there. Again, I can move this one up. Alright, so these two we can now copy multiple. I'm just going to copy these ones down to here. Okay. Now what I will have to do is move this S1 because obviously they're clashing and we can't have that. Okay. I will come through, I'll tidy these now. So 1, 2, 3, take off the leader lines. I'm just going to move them all down a bit closer. Okay. So we're getting there, slowly. Okay, remember this is what we're trying to achieve. Obviously we have a lot more bracing and things in this drawing. Alright, but what I need is I need to put in, I have more struts running through here. Remember we have 2 here and 1 down here. And I have obviously all of my rafters I have to put in. I just want to focus on these columns to start off with. Now what you can do is you can recreate a tag again for the columns. But for me, I prefer to put these in as text because I want these to be a bit bigger as well. So I'm going to have a column sitting here. So C1, sorry, in capitals, C1, and I'm going to make this 3.5 in text height. Okay, so this is talking about the column that's sitting under here. And I know I have a few of them sitting through, and I'm going to have one down the bottom there. So I'll copy this one here, just move it up. Okay, just trying to keep everything a bit neat and tidy. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 columns here as well. If I look from here, I'm talking about these ones. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. These columns here is what the ones I'm referring to. So I come back, and these are C2. Okay, TX, C2. Just make that a bit bigger as well. Okay, now I can copy where I want them. So now I have one here. I think I have one there. Another one here. Oh, sorry, columns down there, not that far up. And that one's sitting up there. Cool. Now I'm gonna have the same thing on this side as well. But I've also got C1s, so the same column type, all the way along my outsides. Okay. Again, if I look at my structural schedule that we're going to create, my C1 and C2, okay, these are the letters that we're putting in, okay. So TX, again, go for it, put these in as structural tags if you'd like. I'm just going to use text, it's a bit quicker. And then copy. There. Have one there. Cool. And now if I want to select just the text, I should be able to just filter it out. Text notes. Okay. Copy. I'm just going to bring them all down here. Okay. Then the ones that I need to just move, it's just these ones here. Don't think I moved them very straight, but that's okay. Yeah, that's going to annoy me just with the OCD, so let's move them across. So just tidying them up. Alright, so we're getting there. Now I might put in just these struts as well, and I'll fix this up. Okay, so can you guys please go through and put on your struts, so these S1 labels where they need to be. Okay. Alright, so we've got S1 here. If I put on a tag, I'm going to change my tag type in a sec. Okay. So that's not a tag, I'm after this one now. Okay, so there's a strut there. We have another one here, another one here. Okay, so can you please go through and do all of that?